The post read, I've become severely burned out. I thought it would never happen to me. What steps do I take now? That message wasn't from 5 years ago. It was posted in a Facebook group just a few days ago. And if you're watching this, maybe you've thought something similar. Maybe your days feel like a blur of soap notes, crisis emails, and treatment plans that no one has the time to implement correctly. Maybe you're still showing up for your clients, for your RBTs, your team, but inside, you're wondering if you're slowly disappearing. If you've ever asked yourself, am I even good at this anymore? Let me say this clearly. You are not a bad BCBA. You're just unsupported. And that's not your fault, but it is your opportunity. You were trained to change behavior, but no one trained you to navigate broken billing models, impossible caseloads, or compassion fatigue. Graduate school gave you theory, but it didn't prepare you for the gut punch of watching a client plateau or the exhaustion of supervising a team while your own needs go unmet. The field asks for everything, but it rarely offers enough in return. And when that gap grows wide enough, it starts to feel personal, like you're the problem, like you should do something more. Let me be clear, burnout is not a personal failure. It's a predictable outcome of a system that depends on your self-sacrifice. When you hit burnout, it feels like you're failing your clients, your team, and yourself. But here's the truth that no one talks about. When we lose one brilliant BCBA to burnout, the entire field loses. We lose their inspiration. We lose better goals. We lose ethical leadership. We lose the kind of care that changes lives. And the clients who need us the most are left with systems that are still broken, just with fewer compassionate people trying to fix them. That's why this isn't just about survival anymore. This is about building a future where BCBAs don't have to choose between ethics and energy, between impact and burnout. One of our dojo members recently said, Master ABA isn't just a resource, it's a lifeline. The emails alone introduced me to tools I didn't even know existed, like sweeps and self-compassion strategies. Now I'm presenting on topics I only recently discovered. That's not magic. That's what happens when the right support finally reaches the right people. You shouldn't have to figure this out alone. And you shouldn't have to fix yourself to keep going. You just need a space where your values are seen as strengths, not liabilities, where you're not expected to have all the answers, just the willingness to keep asking better questions. That space exists, and we call it the dojo. And it's more than a community, it's a movement. We're not here to patch the old system, we're here to build something new. Inside the dojo, we're crafting a new standard for ABA, where CEUs actually help you improve outcomes and not just check boxes, where supervision means growth, not guilt, where sustainability is baked into your career path, not something you scramble for at the end of the day. We believe the future of ABA depends on how well we support the people doing the work right now. And if we want clients to thrive, we need providers who are thriving too. This is how we protect the next generation of BCBAs. This is how we protect the clients who still need this science. This is how we create a field that lasts. If you're burnt out, overwhelmed, or quietly questioning whether you belong here, you're not broken. The system is. But now you get to decide what comes next. You can keep trying to survive a model that was never built for you, or you can help us build that model that is. Because the future of ABA doesn't live in policy, it lives in people, and it starts with you. Join us at the dojo. We're not just surviving, we're creating the future one supported BCBA at a time.